HTML elements can have attributes. In this example, the anchor element, which is used to define links on a web page, has an href attribute that specifies the URL of the page the link goes to. Attributes are always specified in the start tag of the element and are made up of two parts, name and value, separated by an equals sign. Web page customization begins with HTML attributes. Attributes are responsible for customizing HTML elements and provide additional information about the contents of an element. While processing an HTML tag, the web browser looks to these attributes as guides for the construction of web elements. Without any attribute values specified, the browser will render the element using the default settings. The text "Visit CNN website" specified between the anchor tags will be displayed as a link on the web page. The closing tag is added after the text. This is the usual way to define links on web pages. Note that the attribute values should always be enclosed in quotes. Double style quotes are the most common, but single style quotes are also allowed. Attribute names and attribute values are case insensitive. However, recommended way is to use lowercase.